Again. They've been swimming since, let me think. Yeah, since around 8:15, something like that. Look, that one is lay all the time. She's the little one. Look at. What's up, guys? They like to make a lot of noise. What? Huh? You gotta cross the pond, okay? Yeah. What's up? You guys are the one that bother. Look at how they go under the tree. Look, they're thinking it's a bridge. Look. See? What's up, guys? Don't fish for my crabs, okay? Let them live.